Going out on the town, maybe a wedding, prom, etc., and you want to have a nice stiff collar, well, guess what? I guess you haven't heard that before, because it took me a while to actually find out that you can actually improve the appearance of your collar when you pull it down through the use of a collar stay. You might be thinking, what is a collar stay? A collar stay is an object like this. This one's from a company called Working Stiffs. Most of the time, when you get a new dress shirt, they'll have a piece of plastic tucked in to your collar. If I move in an extremely close image here, you can sort of see the outline of a diagonal right here. You can put a collar stay in that spot, and guess what? When you go to drop down your collar after tying your tie, it's going to look 100 times better. So we'll do a comparison here. So I just tied this tie, well, sorry, it's been on for a while, but there we go. I dropped down my collar, and again, it's a little flimsy. I mean, obviously you're not going to be pulling it up and down, but we can see right there, okay, pretty normal. We'll put in the collar stay, see how it looks after that. Extremely close again, but I'm going to navigate this right there. Look at that, nice and stiff now. And we'll pop down the collar, yes, only on one side, maybe to get a little bit of a comparison. It's just going to make the collar pop a little bit, but it's also going to keep it down near the dress shirt itself. And what I mean by down the dress shirt, keeping it close, is if you are somebody who likes to tie larger knots, it's going to expand the area of the collar right here. Obviously, if you have a collar stay, it's just going to make the collar look a little bit nicer, but it's going to keep that knot from sort of pushing the collar up too far. Collar stays can actually help with wrinkles too. I don't know how much of you wrinkle your collar, but that can help eliminate it. Collar stays, in this pack especially, come with different sizes depending on your dress shirt. On the bottom here for this pack also comes with a magnet because, again, just to keep that look, keep everything professional, you can take a magnet, sort of put it inside your dress shirt so it sits right against a stay and keeps everything in place. So if you're looking for the next accessory for your outfit, consider a collar stay. Like I said, can just help with wrinkles and keep a nice, fresh, sharp looking collar. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.